So let's answer the question to if a tenant is allowed to drill a hole in the wall, if they want to mount a TV, a painting, mirror, you name it, and are they required to fix it before they leave? Well, the answer to that is that in Ontario, you are not allowed as a tenant to make any kind of alterations to the property without asking the express permission of the landlord first. And then if you do anything that is considered damaging to the property where they did give you permission, you are supposed to fix it on your way out. Now, from the landlord's perspective, are they able to really get that or enforce it? It's often not worth it. So as a landlord, make sure to just budget a little bit of repair so you can take some stucco and fill up those little holes. If you're having any problems as a landlord, make sure to shoot me a message as I'd love to help.